Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I am excited to be doing an unboxing of what is one of the most advanced and health-centric smartwatches on the market. This is the YHE BP Doctor Pro smartwatch with medical-grade blood pressure accuracy. Yeah, you heard that right. This is not just your everyday smartwatch. And you're going to see that in just a minute. Just looking at the box, you can see this box has a cool like shimmer to it. Nice simple logo on the top. And we are going to open it up. And there it is. That is the amazingly awesome advanced watch. Just to give you a few things about what this watch has as I'm pulling it out. It has a 1.4 inch AMOLED screen. Yeah, that is a 1.4 inch AMOLED screen, so high quality screen, as PPG heart rate sensor, a triaxial accelerometer, a gyroscope, and a pressure sensor, and it is made with medical grade stainless steel. So really super nice. Before we get more into the watch and take a closer look at the watch, just take a real quick look at what else comes in the box. Great packaging. Let's see, got a little tab here, so I'm assuming I pull this out. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's how that opens. And here you've got your user manual, a full instructional manual, so you'll know how all of this stuff works. They don't leave you to figure it out on your own. Very detailed. Yeah, really great. Just gives you a full walkthrough with all the information you need on how to use this advanced smartwatch. I'm going to set that down here. And then you get your standard USB micro to micro USB charging cord to charge this up. Over here, let's see. Oh, this is your, oh, I see. So this is what that cord plugs into, and then the watch snaps down into here, and that's how it charges. So nice charging dock for your watch is there. And then let's see what I dropped on the floor here. This is for measuring and matching for sizing information. So that's probably going to be used. I'm sure the instructional guide tells you exactly how to use that to make sure you get the proper fit. And that's important because this watch is so advanced. So I'm going to take it out here, and we're going to take a closer look at it while I talk about some of the things it has. You can see that medical grade stainless steel on there, which is just super cool. And this does have a patented inflatable air cuff with a built-in micro air pump. Yeah, you heard that right. So you can see here you've got your standard watch band, but right here, this is an air cuff. This actually inflates. That helps get accurate blood pressure. There are some smartwatches out there that claim to do blood pressure, and they're okay for like not real blood pressure, but just daily monitoring, kind of comparing. But this actually gives accurate blood pressure monitoring, and part of the way that it does that is using this inflatable air cuff. Now this also has 24-hour heart rate monitor with up to 7 days of standby time, and it has a 100% YHE operating system. So they developed their own operating system in order to handle the health stuff and handle it in the best way possible. It'll also measure your heart rate variability, which is just the intervals between successive heartbeats. That's great for stress recovery. It will monitor blood oxygen levels, automatic sleep monitoring, fitness tracking. It'll track your trends over time, and all the info from this watch can be shared with family members. So it could be great, especially if you have a family member that is elderly and you need them to constantly check their blood pressure. You would be able to access that, which is great. And then it has alarms and notifications and just other smartwatch capabilities. But again, this is a health-centric smartwatch. It has extremely accurate blood pressure monitoring, and yeah, really just a nice, cool design, a beautiful look with all that functionality. You can see the charging, little charging nodes there, and then the sensors that it uses to take readings. And yeah, anyway, this is just the unboxing, and this is everything that you get in the box. That is going to be it for this video. I will be following up shortly with a full demo and review of this product, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you favorite this playlist or subscribe to my channel so you'll know when that is released. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who you think might be interested in this product or who might benefit from it. And yeah, that is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.